Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to make a YouTube description using ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I use ChatGPT to help create my descriptions on my YouTube videos. So basically what ChatGPT can do, so I can help you create SEO friendly YouTube descriptions in seconds. Now basically you want to provide your video title or a short summary of that video. You can also generate a professional description that explains your content, including relevant keywords, encourages viewers to watch, subscribe, or visit links in your description. Now in order to do this, go ahead and open up ChatGPT. And then you want to describe your video in the field here. So go ahead and describe your video. So tell ChatGPT what your video is about. So you can provide the following. So a video title, a short summary of the video, the target audience, any important keywords you want to include, and any links you want to include as well. So an example script for this can be something along the lines: write a YouTube description for a video title, how to make YouTube description with ChatGPT, make it SEO friendly, easy to read, and include a call to subscribe. So I'm going to go ahead and click on send. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on send prompt. ChatGPT is glitching out for me this morning, but that's okay. All right, so that's going to go ahead and start cooking up a description for my channel. Okay, so I'm using a different account for this. So we can see here, this is the description it gave me. I'm not going to read it out to waste any more time, but you can see here, this looks pretty good that I can actually use for my channel. And because I've been using this in the past, it's going to automatically know my channel name. So it's going to add that in like so. And we can review and edit this. So read through the description to ensure it accurately matches your video. Make any changes you want before publishing. If you see they made any mistakes, go ahead and where it says ask anything, say, can you please change this, or that? And then from there, copy and paste that into your YouTube video description.